Okay, we're cleaning house. Habari zenu. So, this was my first time to be able to sit in and operate one of these big pieces of equipment. And my staff are very jealous right now. They wish it was them on that piece of equipment. Thank you for coming out this evening. I'm very pleased to be here tonight with you for this exciting launch and to celebrate Caterpillar's long business ties in Kenya. Now, before I came in, I sent a text message to Mr. Rob Carr in Illinois, who's the legislative liaison for the Senate for Caterpillar. And he's my good friend, and I know he'll be happy that this was my first event. And as said, Illinois is the home of Caterpillar. So earlier this week, it was my great privilege to present my credentials to President Kenyatta and receive an official welcome to Kenya. It's an honor for me to serve as the United States Ambassador here and represent my country in a place that has been a second home to me for many years of my life. It's fitting, too, that my first official remarks as Ambassador are in support of the United States-Kenya commercial and trade relationship, in support of private sector solutions, and of course, in support of Caterpillar. Last year, President Trump and President Kenyatta, they elevated this 55-year relationship to a strategic partnership. And we didn't do that with anyone else, we did that with Kenya. The United States currently invests close to 100 billion Kenyan shillings annually in assistance to Kenya in a wide range of areas like healthcare, agriculture, education, and security. But that assistance is very small in comparison to the investments the private sector wants to and is already committing to Kenya. You see, economic prosperity is the future to Kenya. Thank you again for inviting me this evening to celebrate Caterpillar's continuous drive for excellence and innovation with the launch of this next generation of Caterpillar hex excavators. Congratulations to you, your customers, and Kenya for helping pave the way to our country's shared growth and prosperity.